In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Base64 string to an image. Base64 is a text-based way to represent binary data, often used for images embedded in web pages or returned by APIs. If you've got one of those long strings and just want the picture, here's the simplest path using an online decoder. Open your browser and search for the phrase Base64 to image. You'll see several converters. Pick a reputable one that clearly converts Base64 into image files and doesn't ask you to sign in. A clean page with a single text box and a convert or decode button is exactly what you need. Copy your Base64 string and paste it into the input box. These strings can be very long and may start with a header like data, image.png.base64, followed by the encoded characters. Most decoders accept the entire string, header included, but if yours wants pure Base64, remove everything before the comma and paste only what follows. Make sure you captured the full string without extra spaces or line breaks, because even one missing character can cause an error. Click the button labeled Decode, Convert, or similar. The tool will process the text and usually show a preview of the image. If nothing appears or you see an error, double-check that the string is complete and that you didn't pick up quotes or stray characters while copying. Many decoders can also detect the format, PNG, JPEG, or GIF, based on the data, so you don't have to guess. When the preview looks right, download the image using the site's download or save button. Choose a file name you'll recognize, and if the option is available, verify the file extension. For example, use .png for PNG images or .jpg for JPEGs. Save it somewhere easy to find and open the file to confirm it displays correctly. If the download gives you a file without an extension, add the correct one based on what the tool reported, and it should open normally. That's it. Search for a Base64 to image tool, paste your string, decode, and download the result. For sensitive content, only use tools and networks you trust. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you turn encoded strings into usable images quickly and confidently.